Hey guys, Cameron here with onX Offroad, and today we're going to take some time and show you the new 3D mapping feature. So when you're in the onX app, simply pull up the map and you'll see the 4 icons on the right side. The top icon will give you the option for 2D or 3D mapping. By using this 3D mapping feature, it allows you to see how flat or how steep the trail is that you're on. A quick pro tip for when you're in the onX app and viewing the map within 3D, you can simply put 2 fingers on the screen and change the skew of how you look at the landscape. It just allows you to be able to see terrain on sand dunes, forested mountains, to rocky trails. I hope you guys enjoyed this video about the new 3D mapping within the onX app, and I hope you guys are enjoying your time out on the trails.